What's the meaning of apartment house? Apartment house. Apartment house. Apartment house.
Apartment house. Apartment house. Apartment house refers to a multi-unit residential building that contains several separate living spaces or apartments. These apartments are typically rented out to tenants, who usually have their own private entrance and living area within the shared building. Apartment houses can range from small buildings with only a few units to large high-rise buildings with hundreds of apartments. They offer a convenient housing option for individuals or families who want to live in urban areas without the expense and maintenance responsibilities of owning a single-family home.